Hi guys, welcome back again to Dick in the Kitchen, and this week we're going to make something that every home cook needs to learn how to make, which is a crispy whole roast chicken. We're going to make a crispy lemon thyme roast chicken, which is delectable and is perfect for that family dinner or for a special occasion. So let's get cooking. There are a couple of keys to making a really great roasted chicken. And the first one is going to be making the coating for the chicken. In this case, we're going to take and zest a lemon, and to that we're going to add a bunch of finely chopped thyme, lots of chopped garlic, and then we're going to mix that with some olive oil and pepper and salt, and then we're going to combine it with softened butter and rub that chicken all over with it. We're going to put it up underneath the skin. We're going to put it in the cavity. We're going to make that chicken fully seasoned. That's going to make this chicken taste so good. Before we start to rub our mixture all over the chicken, we're going to take and dry it off with a paper towel first. Then we're going to rub, and we're going to rub, and we're going to make sure that we get every inch of that chicken covered with this delicious lemon, garlic, thyme mixture so that it permeates the whole thing. We'll put whatever's left in the cavity, squeeze a lemon over the top, and then we're ready to roast. Just before we roast the chicken, we're going to truss it. We're going to tie the legs together to keep its shape. Then the key is here to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to cook that chicken to death. We're going to cook it for 1 hour and 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and it's going to get so crispy. Just look at how beautiful this turned out. It's brown, it's crispy, it's juicy. When we try to cut it up, the juices will run out all over everywhere. It is delicious. I can't wait to taste it. To serve the chicken, first we remove the thighs and legs. Then we split the breast down the middle, take out the backbone, and put the 4 pieces on a platter for service. You could actually split the breasts in half because they're quite large. And we're ready to serve our chicken, and it is beautiful. There you have it, a fantastic crispy roast chicken dinner to enjoy with your family or friends. Don't wait, try it today, and let us know how it came out for you.